Hey there, future homeowners. Thinking about buying property in 2023? Well, hold your horses. Today, we're going to give you 3 compelling reasons why you might want to hit the brakes. Let's jump right in. Reason number 1. Mortgage rates are soaring. According to Freddie Mac, the average mortgage rate this week was a whopping 6.39%. That's the highest we've seen in years. Higher rates mean higher monthly payments, and that can seriously strain your budget. For instance, on a $450,000 30-year loan with a 6.5% interest rate, your monthly payment would be around $2,844. But if that rate jumps to 7.5%, brace yourself for a payment of over $3,146. Plus, you'll end up shelling out more in interest over the life of the loan. Ouch. Reason number 2. Should you buy now or wait until 2024? Well, according to the Fannie Mae Home Purchase Sentiment Index, a whopping 79% of consumers think it's a bad time to buy a house. But here's the good news. Experts predict that 36 U.S. markets, including popular cities like Phoenix, Denver, Dallas, and Las Vegas, will become buyers' markets by the end of the year. Prices are already starting to decline or rise at a slower pace, so waiting might just give you the upper hand. And finally, reason number 3. Are you in it for the long haul? Buying a home comes with closing costs ranging from 2 to 6% of the property's price. So, it's important to be sure you won't be packing up and moving again anytime soon. Selling a home soon after buying can also have serious tax implications. Make sure you're financially stable or ready to rent it out. So, before you dive into the property market in 2023, take a moment to consider these reasons: high mortgage rates, the potential for a buyer's market in 2024, and the need for long-term commitment. Remember, it's all about making the right decision for your future. Stay informed, weigh your options, and happy house hunting.